like and subscribe ABC TV channel.
Dear kids, in this video we will learn the family of alphabet C. Please subscribe this channel for more learning upcoming videos. Kindly like and share this video. Let's start learning and read with me.
Okay, let's start.
C.
C.
Cat.
Cat. Cat is a small furry animal. Cat is one of the most popular pets that we have.
C.
C.
Cake.
Cake. Cake is a sweetened baked food made with flour, eggs, sugar. Usually we cut the cake on birthday.
C.
C.
Car.
Car. A car has 4 wheels and an engine. We can travel with our family in the car.
C.
C.
Computer.
Computer. Computers can process huge data very quickly. They also store and display data. Kids love to play computer games.
C.
C.
Clock.
Clock. Clock is a device used to measure and tell time. Clock tells time in hours, minutes, and seconds. Clock can be in digital or analog form.
C.
C.
Cow.
Cow. Cow is a large animal with a tail, 4 legs. It is herbivorous animal and big source of milk, meat, and leather.
C.
C.
Chair.
Chair. Chair is a piece of furniture for sitting, consisting of 4 legs, a seat, a back, and sometimes armrests.
Dear kids, let's learn and practice how to write and trace alphabet letter C.
Okay, let's start. Please like and subscribe ABC TV channel.